So guys, we are done squeezing our vegetable, okay? We are done squeezing our vegetable. Pooja, do you guys have this type of vegetable in your area? Let me know. Let me know in the comment section, Pooja. Do you guys have this type of vegetable in your area? Everyone, for those of you watching me, where you live, do you have this type of vegetable in your area? And if you have, and if you have eaten, what did you eat this vegetable with? What did you eat it with? See, guys, woo! Is the green for me? Can somebody say, is the green for me? Excuse me, guys. Let me drink some water. You are welcome. Guys, do you see the color? Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this color? What do you think? Is the color coloring? Is this color given to you? Please, I want to know in the comment, first time you very hard work, sister. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much. Thank you, Pooja. Pooja, I'm giving you a lot of love and light, Pooja. Pooja, wow, yes, thank you. See, green, green, green. Let me know in the comment section, guys, when did you lastly eat vegetable in your home? Let me tell you, in 7 days a week, you're supposed to eat vegetable like 6 times, okay, in that 7 days, okay? So let me know in the comment section, when did you lastly eat your vegetable? And when was that? Can you please, guys, Google me the importance of eating green vegetables? The importance of eating green vegetables. Google it and put it in the screen. And for those of you, I want to know, do you know the meaning of green? Do you know what this green signifies? If you're not quiet, we'll turn off the TV, okay? Do you know the meaning of green? Guys, do you know? See? You can eat it like this, see? Mm. 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 So nice, guys. I can eat vegetables from January to December, okay? You can eat vegetables from January to December. What about you? It's very important. So eat your vegetables. Eat your vegetables. But I've asked you in the comment section, when did you last eat vegetables? And what type of vegetables did you eat? Okay? I want you guys to Google the importance of eating green leafy vegetables. Okay? If you cannot do that one, Google the importance of eating vegetables, green vegetables. Okay? Then you'll see the use. And I'm telling you guys that in the 7 days a week, okay? In the 7 days a week, you're supposed to eat vegetables 6 days out of that 7 days a week. So my people, let me know, when did you lastly eat your vegetables and what type of vegetable did you eat? Am I communicating? Are you loving? Are you liking? See now, this girl know how to cook. If you like, you can use red vegetable. Okay? You can use the red vegetable. I mean red vegetable palm oil. Use your red palm oil. In a case where you don't have